Oh, hi, I'm Derek.
And I'm Eric.
And this is Mead with Eric and Derek.
On our channel, we show you how to make mead, how to drink mead, how to enjoy mead, and how to have fun doing it.
We do recipes, history, mythology, and comedy.
And now, I'll summarize our channel.
In song.
We love mead and so do you too, and we love the YouTube too. We decided to combine the both of them to something greater. You should start with starter kits. So that was our first review. We also have a bottle fit, and then we smash our carboys too. We do beer kits, easy way to make a beer. Traditional, made with staggered nutrients. Joe's ancient mead,
made with lots of oranges.
The professor, he can sometimes be a dick, but whip it up with his shit because he really knows what he's talking about, at least most of the time when the teleprompter works and Tor's on top for game. Hydromel is like a fake mead because it's really fizzy and it's kind of low on alcohol. Our vids are often full of bloopers because we're really new at this and we often drink a lot of mead. And that's our channel.
Enjoy.